How to view your subscription on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your subscription on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find the settings in the top corner. Click on it, and here you will find account management. This one, click on it, and as you see here you can view your subscription on Deezer mobile, and that's it. And it's easy, of course, and you can manage here until you want. You can manage your subscription, and that's it. And that's how to view your subscription on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.